good afternoon. I'm coming to you from Ybor City here in Tampa, Florida. It's an old Cuban historic neighborhood. This is where the cigar making industry was. You can find excellent Cuban food here. But we're not here for any of that today, no. We're here to ride the TECO Streetcars. But before we hop on those streetcars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, let's go make some memories. So the TECO Streetcars are historic replicas of the cars that once transported Tampa residents between 1892 and 1946. These replica cars today run along a 2.7-mile path that connects downtown Tampa, the Channel District, and Ybor City, where we are at currently. What you're looking at right here is the famous Centennial Park here in Ybor City. If you're lucky enough to come out here on the first Saturday, I believe, of the month, they always have like a farmer's market here. We've been here for that and it's excellent. You should come and check it out. Some of the stations we're gonna see here today, you're able to connect to the Tampa Riverwalk. If you're not familiar with that, Tampa Riverwalk is a really cool walk that goes along the Hillsborough River. Very beautiful, very easy path to walk. I think it's 4 or 5 miles long. To ride this thing, it's free. That's right, completely free. There's been rumors of it possibly taking on some admission charges in the future. There's also some talks that it possibly is going to expand because Brightline is eventually going to come here to Tampa, and they want Brightline to be able to connect with Amtrak here in Tampa as well as the streetcars.
Guys, this is not where you get on. You have got to get out of the path. This is suicide. We don't want that. It's the holidays, the season of joy. No bad decisions today, guys. There you go. That's so much smarter. I knew you could do it. Right next to Station 1 is the 9/11 Fallen Heroes Memorial in memory of World Trade Center 2. Oh, this is beautiful. Very pretty. This is memory of World Trade Center 1, and this one says we will never forget. Sheriff's Fallen Heroes Memorial.
One big thing on our channel is we're always about the military, the police, our first responders. They're very, very important to everybody, so we want to make sure we always point them out whenever we find things like this.
Oh wow, that's so cool.
That's really cool.
Well, we almost missed it. See what we did for you guys. Oh, I don't think we missed it. Yay. Or not. They're like, yeah, they probably sit there for 5 minutes and we're running like bozos.